Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. It's January 21st and it's Wednesday. MOJO Day Trading Room video recap for the day. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. MOJO Day Trading Room. We're done for the day. Checked it out. We've done, I'd say, what, 4 trades? Today is the 21st. It's 10 a.m. We've only done 4 trades, but the trades we've done were just huge and magnificent. We traded JDST. And in respect to hitting your daily goals, watch this. You ready? Ching. We don't get fooled here. You may get fooled. If you are a fool and you're losing in the market, you're not done at 10 o'clock, you're going to trade more, watch this. And the men who spurred us on, 12 people hit their goal. 14 people doubled their goal. 1 person tripled it. 3 people did 4 times their goal in a half an hour. And 8 people paper traded that I've got going that have all made money. That's the MOJO Day Trading Room. Right now, the only trade that I'm in is a trend trade on JDST from the morning. Day trading Hines, day trading moves, scaling have all been sold. The only one I have is 1,000 shares of JDST left on a trend trade that I have at 668. JDST, we're going to buy 500 shares now at 665. We're going to dip at 660 and under, and then we're going to do 500 shares more at 671, and then we're going to add 4,000 shares as it moves through the goal in the trend trade, looking to make 50 cents on the trade. It already made a huge run, and we already sold it through 7, so I sold the majority of it, but I've got a tiny bit left. I've got all of it left in the swing portfolio. Haven't sold 1 share in the swing, which was a new pick yesterday. And that's what we've done today in the room. And here's the move on it right now. You got a V-band break on this volume bar, created that V. We bought at 680, long bar, sold right here. And that was enough for me. I thought that was the Cupid top. It actually went up a little higher. I didn't pay for any of this in the day trading. We've already made our profit and we're done for the day. So that's what we do. And let me see what the traders have done. There was a question on what's a trend trade. So that's a trend trade. What it is, it's a trade that you think can go all day long until it hits a target. My target was 50 cents. It well reached that, well over that. So what happens is you buy a little bit, then it dips, you buy a little bit more, then whichever way it goes from there, you buy a little bit more. So eventually you scaled in 4 or 5 times to 500 shares. You got a little bit of a position, and then if it does a trend reversal, which I thought gold would do, gold would come down, JDST would go up, scaling little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit, all in this area, and now boom, the stock's moving. Here's my target by the end of the day, and I'll either sell it here by the end of the day or when it reaches the target, and it already reached it in the first half hour. So that's a trend trade. We do one of those every single day. The trend trade yesterday was this. Let me open up a browser. I actually have a browser in the room, but it's easier to do it on like this. So if you go to the MOJO Day Trading website and you go to the results, you can watch these results every day. So you go to the results and you click Day Trade Results. And then there's the room. You scroll down, and then my log loads up with what kind of trade it is. Is it the Hines, the mini Hines, the stopping station, the bump, and so forth. So right here you have yesterday's trading on the 20th. So JDST was the trend trade from 718 to 22. The day before, the trend trade was, I like to do them all in the mornings. Let's see here, trend. I thought there's more of them on here. There's a wow. I'll have to look back through the notes. But I thought we've done 2 or 3 already, starting out in the mornings. Let me look back on the 15th. No, we didn't do it. Maybe it was last month. The 12th in the morning, first trade. You guys, maybe it was the overnight. There it is. So you guys was one. It was an overnight. It was a trend trade. So there's another one we did. No, we did another one. And then on the 9th in the morning, nope. 8th, nope. But we did last month a bunch. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the page into December, whoops. I think I clicked the wrong button. Day trade results. Scroll down. Okay, I'm in the right month. Here's December. No, it's January. Let's see if it works. So here's December. Click. It worked. So now here's December. And let's see if we've done some trenders. Here's one right here. Trend trade on CYBR from 39.88 to 40.58 for a 70-cent move. Those are the biggest moves because you have so much patience with them. Here's another one from PWE from 201 to 213. That's a 10% move on a $2 stock. That was one of the swings. I like to do it on a lot of the swings that I know I've got great confidence in. Here's another one, CYTX. So we do them in the mornings. Here's another one, trend trade. CTIC didn't do anything. So some of them, here's another one, trend trade. CTIC for 10 cents. Heinz. Let's see what JDST is at. 29. You guys is ticking up. That's nice. So let me show you right here an update for the swing. Right now we have about all these pros in the room. There's about 74 left. All pro traders have taken MOJO University, which we're in the tail end of right now. So let me show you a couple of stocks that we're in right now. You ready? For the swing. ABCD, MOJO's longest holding. Look at it. Tell me that's not a breakout. 241 today. Sold a quarter of the position into that move. A quarter of the position. That's it. Okay, and I added more as per the video. Okay, yes, I said, look, this thing's going to move up. It's our longest holding. I've held it since May of last year. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add. I'm not going to send you the email because it's going to move too fast and a lot of you are going to miss it. So what we're going to do is we're going to add. And we're going to add right under $2. And I did that with an average of 193. And now it's at 228, up 18%. So right there, I'm unleaking this position right here at the 241. You guys, I've closed 3/4 of the position. It was 388 pre-market, I'll show you. If you don't have the ability to trade pre-market, you better get with a broker that you do have the ability. So here is the 20th. It's now the 21st. ABCD, 233. There's a 40-cent move on this, and it's a quarter of the position that's sold. And the high is 241. 20% gain. So I take this, I'll update it right here up the top. We add it right here as through the video. And I have my original position right here at 165. That we're up 38%. Got a quarter of it closed right there at 185, and now it's 225. And as per my partner that I spoke to last time it went up to 225, I told him I would sell a little bit of that one, so I'm going to do that today. So that one right here, also from the original May 27th at 165. See ya, up 41.2%. So this is actually a hold of 126 days. It's a long one. but it's a good one. So this is half closed now. It's going to be closed up here. Position. These are long terms, the ones in the blue. I have a long termer on OxySure and Radio Shack, average 31. So I'm down 22% on Radio Shack. I just saw Big Hero 6 twice, and the previews of the movie had Radio Shack as a preview with a new logo. I was like, yeah, okay. They're going out of business, bankrupt, and they're putting out a brand new logo with some amazing movies. I don't think so. I'll like Radio Shack. A Savior is going to come and buy them. So we bought it at 40. At Savior came, we sold it at 55. Bought it back at 40, entry. Next day it dropped, bought it at 27. Sold at 27 at 32, and now bought it back at 24 for an average of 31. Tell me that's not some good swinging. And here's those trades right here in the closed trades. So Radio Shack bought right here at 40, sold at 50, it went to 55. We hit 55 on Radio Shack. So we made 37%, 14%. It reversed to 50, sold the rest. Then it came down to 27, bought that, sold at 31. Okay, then 24, and it's at 26, sold that, and now I'm back in at the 24. So Radio Shack has been, even though down 20%, I've already cashed in 5 times on it. So there's your update on Radio Shack. For the people that have been asking me, how come I'm not following my stops on the spreadsheet for 15% on Radio Shack? That's why, because I'm already up so much on it. And these are just mental stop barometers. Okay? If it's at 15, let's say this one's at 22, here. This one's a long term, so I'll put it at 25% because it moves 50% at a time. So here, let's risk 25. And that'll put it at under that. There you go. And then you got, which other one we closed? 15% here. CPST at 64. Here, we'll put it at 20. I'll add about now. People get worried and panic. I'll add at 64, bring my average to 70. Stock will go back to 76. I'll be in a nice profit instead of break even. Nothing's changed with the company. It's a new pick. I haven't even added. This one includes 3 buys. Intercloud. 87, 72, and 57, and 45. 4 buys. I don't go more than 4. The biggest one was at 45 to bring it to 65. Last time ICLD. Why am I not selling it? Because I already sold ICLD. Where is it now? At 235. I sold it at 365 right here 1 month ago. ICLD. Where is it? It was the end of November. December. Here it is. 325. Sold 325. That's where it was. $3.25. There's another one on here. It went to 65. That day, it went to 65. I was on 12.17. ICLD. Here it is. December 1st. December 17th went to 325. So see the spike right here? Someone's doing something. Stock is amazing as far as its fundamentals. I won't even go through that, but it's great. You want to see a trade? SCOK right now. It's come down to 302 by 307. Entry position right here at the low of the day. Already been to 370. Everyone's getting stopped out here. MOJO long right here. Small, tiny entry just to play. Show people how we trade. Stopping station. 302 to 307. We add at 309 or we add at 293. So you're just getting right here at 305 and under. And it's SCOK. You're adding. You're going to wait for the gap down to 293 if it goes lower. If it goes higher, you're adding at 309. You're selling at 313. Do we have any effect on the movement of this stock? It's traded 6 million. I doubt it. And there's a signal right now at 306. So I bid 305. It's first come, first serve on that 306. Thank you. When I turn it back on, you won't see it there anymore. Look at JDST. Ching. 742. My screen just blinked. I got filled on SCOK. So SCOK filled. Now wait for the next one to see what it does. That's how you trade. Now, let's go through some of the picks. ABCD is just phenomenal. ICLD hasn't really traded a lot. It's only 7,000 shares. But let me show you ICLD. This is for the people that own it in the swing. It's a very long hold. Let me show you why we're holding it. I think this can be one of the biggest plays of the year once it starts to get its mojo. Okay, check out the pick. Here it is. Let me just take a little peeky on the SCOK. Okay, and like I said, you won't see it there anymore. You're going to add, follow the plan at 8, adding at 9, selling 11 to 13. Thank you. Okay, let me show you the ICLD. Just follow the plan. Here, on 1228 Mojo Swing Pick, I think this could be one of the biggest winners of 2015. It's got huge growth. Look at the loss. In 2013, they lost 387. The stock was $19. The next year, they lost $1.14. In 2015, they're going to make 41 cents. The growth rate from a loss of $1 to a positive 41 is off the chart. It's off the charts. Okay? Increase estimates for this year. So they may even lose less than $1.14 because the next year is so big. So I already know this quarter of $3.77 loss is going to show up against a loss of they already did 70 cents, 96 loss, and 81 loss. They're going to blow away. It's going to be it's going to be a 999% increase in this next box on earnings right here on April. The next box here is going to show this number NA as 9, not like this one 736. It's going to be 999. The 11 million in earnings versus, look, it went 11.2, 14, 17, and 20. They're going to do 22 million versus 11 is a 100% increase. So the next box right here is going to be a 99.99 increase and a 100% increase in the EPS and the sales. You mean to tell me stock's not going to be rocketing up on a small float of 17 million with some funds? Could be the biggest one. I love this stock. It already was $8, $7, $5, $3.83. I already sold it at $3.55. So you got a box of $3.03 to $3.85 right in this little box. It's going to break either the low side, which I don't think so, and or the high side. I think it breaks the high side. Just a matter of time. When they go, they really go. Okay? We have MG&A I'm looking at for a re-entry. There's a big bid. Let's see if it breaks that. It's doing nothing. I'm patient. Radio Shack is a long-term hold. I saw it in the movies with a new logo. Want to see the new logo? Here's the Radio Shack logo. Look, brand new with the R and stuff like that. And this one online. Come on, look at that. Look at the logos. New. That's too much all over the internet. They ain't going out of business. You know why? Because they deal with technology. Even though they got the low-end technology, they always got some good technology going on with them. Vigil, we got that. I love Vigil. It's going to do some wiggle. We've already made a lot of cush in Vigil. Scored there, scored there, scored there. That we've scored 10 times. So wherever it is now, down 10 cents, big deal. Capstone, I'm going to add into this one, but not today. LRAD, we got this one. It's doing nothing. Traded only 11,000. Jivo, doing nothing. Mila, doing nothing. Oxysure, doing nothing. They're all quiet because the market's doing nothing. Once they spark up, they all have their days. You guys already sold for a profit. Average cost $335. Sold up into the pre-market this morning, right here. 380, 384, 388. Then it started to come down. This is where it, boom, look. So it came down. And this is how you can either sell it all at once or you can maximize. So here's the swing. So you have you guys 380 went to 388. I'm like, it's going to go to $4. It went to 388 and reversed. Sold 380. Reversed again, 370. I sold 3/4 of it's done. I'm holding a quarter. And I'd like to rebuy some back, and that's about it. So this is a great little Google Doc. I like this, keeping track of the stocks. All the subscribers get to see it in real time as it gets updated. It's a good machine. Okay, JDST's at 759 now. See how it's updating in real time? 750. It went to 764. We still have it in the day trading room, and we have it in the swing. Okay? So here's the day trading room. 18 people have hit their goals. 16 people have doubled their goals. One person tripled their goal, and 3 people hit 4 times their goal, and 9 people paper traded and made their goal. Okay? Hey traders, let's show these future mojos how we make money in 30 minutes each day. How much did you make today, traders? Ooh, look at JDST, new high of the day at 765, baby. Do I have that? Yeah, I do. SCOK, see ya. Told you, J-Nug, down $4, baby. Sick. How much you guys make today? Let's see. Bohan, Warlock, second day here, hit 150 goal. Yesterday, 215 before 10 a.m. Shakalaka. Bohan, 563. Music, congrats, 525. Russell, Mr. Russell, 640. Mr. Wireless, new to the room, 540. Hey, Trader Wireless, how you doing in JDST in the swing? You're a new swing member as well. How you doing? Benjamin, 950. Good day in 30 minutes. Mike G, 830. Trader Friere, I'm changing your name to Fire. Screen better not go out like it did last night in Mojo U when I said that. C-Jet, 3200. Terry, 689. Ince, 391. DC, 1160. Rocky, 234. Trader Len, first day here, 750. Allen, big day, baby. 6411. Cha-ching. That's what I like to hear, baby. Yeah, boy. See what I got for that. You know what we're like? Hey, Pez, awesome job, 985. Kilborn, 450, nicely done. Allen, 6411, buddy, good job. DMX, 1990 versus your 1200 goal. Sethi, second day, 1600. Everyone, yes, wow, way to go. SCOK, blinking, baby. It's going to rip through the 13. That's all us selling. You see that EDGX? That's Allen selling 20,000 shares. See that? That's Scott Trade. That's Allen on Scott Trade selling. Allen, that you selling at 313? My room is frozen. Look, my room just refroze. Oh, internet slow. Too many operations going. We'll verify when the room comes back on. But yeah, see that 313 right there? Say bye-bye. That's profit and rebate. Alan, you there? There he is. Alan, that you on 13? Selling right there? 10,000? Let me go back. Yep. See how good? I know the people and the trades when they happen on the bids and asks and who they are. See Edgex? I know who Arca is, Bats, and I know what Fatif. See ya. Fatif. He's squeezing the hell out of it right now. See all this Allen? He's gone. But sold. 13 sold. Good trade. We did that live for everybody. Thank you. Sold 13. Now we're done for the day. Hines on FXCM? No way. You're joking. Really? Yeah. Hines on FXCM. You're not joking. Nice job, dude. Sick. Look at the signal at 95. Watch it. It's going to go by. It's going to go see ya. Watch it. 95, 96. We're going to double up 97, 98, 99. Boom. Sell it too. So easy. All right. Let's see if we can get back up a little higher on that. Appy's doing fine. It just went above 2. We got that in the swing. Casella Waste doing nothing today. Moby has been to 402 for us. It's a new swing pick. It's been to 404. No volume though, so we can't do anything yet. Just be very patient. It's coming up out of this base now. It used to be over here $7 and a darling. Now it's half that price. And if you look back here, Moby, It was a darling 6 months ago in September at 11. Yingling Energy also sparking up for us here today. That's on the watch. And let's go back. SCOK, that's us selling right there at 14. Beautiful job on JDST. Anybody have JDST in the day trade? Trend left. Let's see if anybody's got shares. Still holding 500. Nice. Anybody else? Got 1,000 at 675. Still holding 1,000. Still holding 500. How about in the swing? I've sold none. It's going to make a 3-day run. I've sold none. I'm going to send. Actually, I did sell. I did sell a little bit. I'm going to send out the newsletter. But basically, it's going to, like I've mentioned to you in the pick, it's going to make a 3-day run. So let's just be very patient. It's been a quarter close so far. 10,000 in the swing, 3,000 in the swing, 2,500 in the swing. It's a great job, guys. Nice job on SCOK. I'm going to take it off the screen. We did our damage. FXCM, I'm selling right here. My screen blinked. I was like, dude, it's been sold at 202. I'm going to sell more at 207. See if it gets there. Sold 5. See if it holds here. If it doesn't hold 3, I'm hitting the rest. If it doesn't hold 3, I'm selling it right here. Be patient. It's got to hold 3. Patience. Patience. It touched 7. Let's see if we can get 11. I'd rather risk 3 cents on the downside. If this thing touches 11, it's going to 22. It's an extra 12 cents. Just be patient. Already sold a bunch. Got virtually very little left. So let's just see what it does. All right. See if they take the 7. They should take it. There's a squeeze going on. There's the 7. It's taken. Let's see if it touches 11. Now I'm going to sell a little bit at 11, a little bit the rest at 19, 16. I'll be flat. Awesome trade, guys. Who do I owe the honor of the signal on FXCM on the Hines? Who called it, baby? Who called it? Who do I go? Who do I owe? We have the best room. Trader Renee, I owe you big on FXCM the first time. Who do I give it the second time? Who did it? Where is it? Who did? Who said Heinz FXCM? Where is it? Who did it? Trader Freer, I can't see it in the thing, man. Where? There he is, 46.0 paper. When did you do it? I can't see the... I can't. Where's your thing? A 1039, but I don't see your message. How'd you get me the message? Oh, you private messaged me. Durr. Durr. Great job. We sold it. 214. It's for sure lower, yeah. Appy's moving to the high. Guys, we're looking great on Appy in the swing. It'll be on profit alert soon, right here. Our cost on Appy is 195. At 205, we'll be up 5%. And there's a signal right there at 205. So let's see if it goes above that. All right, JDST is going to set a new high. Let's see what we got. That's pretty much it, guys. So another great trade, another great job. Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. Give away a few Mercedes like, here, let me have this. And last but not least, Chris about it last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Travis Claus minus the ho-ho. Get it? I'll probably visit with you. So this is what I do now in the room. We run a strict business here. I have your word, guys, right? I want to see your handshake. I have a deal with all the traders that have taken Mojo University. That every day, there's 20 days a month. We're done at 10 a.m. We're going to shut it down. We're not going to trade anymore. The room sometimes stays open and closes at 4, but 80% of the time, I'm shutting that baby down right now. I have your handshake. You're stopping right now for the day, turning it off. No more trading no matter what. Who's shaking on that deal? That's our business model. It's business, man. And that's what we are, businessmen. It's just business, guys. Shaking hands. Thank you. Ints, have a great day. Terry, take it easy. Pez, peace. Warlock, amazing job. Hammond, thanks for being in Mojo U. You're doing great. Alan, Shakalaka, Shake Shake. Andres, peace. Morgan, later. DMX, great job. See ya, Wireless. Sign off. Sign off. Sign off. Let's see the number go down. Watch these guys sign off. It was at 88 before. Sign off, 50, 50, 49. Sign off, sign off, sign off. Peace, peace, peace. Peace. See ya. As we see JDST going through the highs, great job. Cha-ching, everyone signed off. That's what we do in the Mojo Room. I will see you tomorrow. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace.